Good morning. We're in the machine shop here again, and we're going to have a quick look at our sander. The sander is one of the pieces of equipment we use for taking off burrs or shaping metal. We can use it to grind wood, some plastics will work, and we can also use it for steel, very much similar to a grinder. In the sander, I'll just open the side so you can see the belt. So what we have here is a belt that rotates in the direction so that it always pushes down on the table, and there's 3 wheels in this one, and we also have a hook up here for a vacuum to help keep the dust down. It can be very dusty when you're using a sander, so we operate the vacuum when we do that. If you come over to this side, you'll see we have the AC motor speed control here. There's 2 buttons on this. The bottom one is the power. When we push up on the power button, what it does is it powers the unit. After a few seconds, you'll be able to see now it's in stop. There's also a neutral in the middle position, and then when you push up, the belt will start to rotate down. So I'll push up. The belt is now rotating down. When I want to stop the sander, I just push down to stop, and there's an electronic brake. When I push down, there's an electronic brake that stops the belt. I can put it back into neutral now, and I'm ready to go again. The other thing that you need to know is that when you start the machine, there's a speed control here. You can go from very slow to whatever she can suffer, and I'll do a little demo of that now in a second. You need to be careful when you're at the sander. There's a little sticker on the front here that tells you that flying debris and dust is a hazard, ejection hazard, so you need to be sure that when you're sanding, normally what we do is we don't tip our part down. So if we were taking burrs off of this piece of aluminum, we wouldn't hold it this way because the blade rotates down. It can hook and push the piece out. It's a little bit of a hazard, so you can lay it on the table and sand so it's supported. Or you can tip it down on a 45 the way the belt rolls and it's pulling away, and it's not likely that it will hook. I'll just give you a quick demo of that now. If I was rounding the corner, I would put it on the table to support it. I can push in. So as you can see, it's a great tool for taking off burrs and rounding corners. And it can be used again, like I say, on aluminum, wood. You can use it on steel for grinding. I have a cup here next to this. It has some cold water in it. If you're grinding something like a piece of steel, sometimes it tends to heat up. So just make sure you keep dipping it into water to keep it cool so you don't burn yourself. Have a great day.